So most of you are asking, can we start from February and earn some cool goodies in the Google Cloud Arcade, or can we just participate now? And is it the right time to participate? So all things will be covered in this video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Here we'll cover some of your common doubts also. Now let me just start the video. So this is our arcade homepage. First of all, we need to know about the event. It's a program owned by Google Cloud where we'll learn about cloud computing, that too free of cost. Now coming straight forward to the topic directly, so you can see these are the games which are listed over here. Now here some points are also mentioned over here, so you need to understand the concept of this arcade program, how you will be getting the goodies, so that we can move forward to the next step, because it's the most important part, because most of you are just watching this video for skills, goodies also. So here first of all, you can see when you just scroll down here, you can see arcade points are there. Now what is this arcade points? For example, if I have to give you a sample example, like if you're buying something, you require money for it. Similarly, for getting swags, we require arcade points. Okay, so you can see these are the arcade points. So you have to complete all these badges. If I just open any of these badges, for example, I'm opening this badge, you can see inside it there are multiple labs over there. Okay, these are the labs, and when you complete all these labs, okay, this badge gets completed, and when you complete this badge, you get arcade point. Depending on the arcade points which is listed over here, you will be getting the arcade points, and it will be added. Okay, it will be added till the event. Now will the most people are asking that I missed the January games, then what will happen? Can I rejoin the game, and how the points will be added for January game? First of all, also one more important doubt, how to join the February game, and if I start from February, how much points we can earn easily. Also please guide us your roadmap. So here we'll cover all thing in detail. So first of all, let's come over here. You understood that by completing the badges, by completing the labs, we get the badges, and in exchange of it we get the points also. And here how to join the game, it's very simple. You have to simply click on start over here. Okay, and you have to simply create your cloud skills boost account. If you don't know about how to create account, I've shared the detailed playlist, and I'll show you how to just register over there also, the video guide also. You can just check it out and register and participate. Now how to join, it's very simple. You have to click on join this game, and here you can see the access code is there. So simply copy it, paste it, and just join. So this is very simple how to join any of the game. You can easily join, and simply you have to open all these labs one by one. For solutions also, I'll show you how you'll find the solution for all these labs without any issue. So we completed the first thing, how to join the game, and most of you are asking that if you start from February, can I complete the January games or not? See, first of all, you need to understand that each game you are seeing over here will last for that month only. For example, if you are seeing February game now, in March month, fresh set of games will be coming. In February, fresh set of game is coming. Okay. Similarly, in May and April also. So you need to complete the games in that month only. So if you have missed the January games, you cannot redo it, but you can complete the February game and win some cool goodies over here. So if you come over here, so you need to understand this cohort is currently January cohort, that is from Jan to June. So it does not mean if you have missed the January game, then you won't be getting any swags. Even if you participate in June itself, then also you can get the goodies. Okay, and here cohort 2 is from July till December, which will be coming in July. So you need to just wait for the next cohort, but currently if you're participating now, there is no issue, you are not late. Now here, how much points we can earn each month. So as per the calculation by official team, we earn 11 arcade points each month. Okay, so if you want to see the point calculation over here, so here you can see for every voyage, trivia, and trail, we get 1 arcade point. Earlier it was level 1, 2, 3. If you have participated in previous cohort, you must be knowing about the point system. And sprint was trivia. So we are getting 1 point for each game. Okay, and for 2 skill badge, we get 1 arcade point. As of now, you don't have to complete skill badges, because I will tell you in special facilitator program, which will be starting in April or May, will update you. Then only you have to start the earning the skill badges. As of now, just complete all these games which are listed over here. So you must be wondering that in the point system there is 1 point, but there are some games which are having no points, some are having 3 points. So these are event specific, so these may change. Okay, First of all, let's understand how many types of games are there. There are normal adventure games, we'll consider it as leveled game, and trivia games. And there are three types of game. Okay, level game, trivia, special game, and certification zone. So these are the special games. This give 1 point, this give 1 point, means per batch give 1 point. This also give 1 point. Okay, sometimes it comes, sometimes it does not come. But special points, sometimes they give 2 points, sometimes they give 3 points. So do not worry, there will be some plus minus in calculation each month. But if we just ideally calculate, we get 11 arcade points per month. So for this month, we got 14 arcade points. Okay, so if we just calculate from remaining months, that is from next month, that is will be March, April, May, June. It will become 44. So 44 plus 40, it will become 58. So you can easily reach 58 arcade points till June. Now you may be wondering that we have seen swags prices worth 95 points, then how will we be getting the 95 point swags? So the answer is that there are skill badges. You can complete the skill badges too, that too later. I'll recommend complete in May and June, or we will be updating in facilitator program. But if you're having any exam, then you can just start now also, there is not an issue. For credits also, you can check the channel description. I have attached the video for credits also. Okay, from there you can get the credits for completing the cloud labs. Now the next thing is here that how much points will be getting in facilitator program. So ideally there we do skill badges also, and there we get some bonus points. So if you just consider how much skill badges we are having, 90 plus skill badges are there, but we are considering this for ease of calculation. As per the calculation, we get 2 skill badge equal to 1 point. So it will be 45 points. So now how much points we had? 58 plus 45. Okay, 58 plus 45. It becomes 103 points. Okay, it becomes 103 points. Now in this 103 points, see, the earlier the price of legend tire was 95. So you can decrease the number of skill badges also. But if you take in part in the facilitator program, so it will ideally become 25 because we are targeting top tier. So it will ideally become 103 plus 25. So it's 128 points. Okay, 128 points it will become easily. Okay, so with the facilitator program, so you can just decrease the number of badges. I'll recommend just complete the monthly badges as of now. For skill badges and total calculation, once the point matrix is out, we'll update a dedicated video how you can reach that tier particularly. Do not worry. Okay, so that's how you'll be able to complete the points. And once you complete the points, you don't get the swags instantly. Price control will be opening in June for this cohort. They will be getting a separate link. There you have to enter your address details, mobile number, etc. And after that it is placed. It will take 3 to 4 months to reach your home. So this is very simple method. And let me just show you the main guide. This is our master sheet, which I have attached in the description box of this video. Now here you can see this playlist is Hindi and this playlist is English. So here, if you want to know about the program, how to register all the things and all your doubts in Hindi, you can watch this video particularly. Okay, here I have shared how you can reach 100 points. So if you want more clarity over points, like how much points we can earn total with proper guidance each month, you can watch this video. And if you want to watch in English, you can see this is our English playlist. Okay, now you must be wondering, in Hindi playlist very little videos are there. If you see the duration, I have covered everything in a single video, but in English I made a short 2-3 minutes video, so you can just understand like what are skill badges, what are lab courses, how to get the crowd credits, and what are the mistakes you need to avoid. You can use the same account or not. Most of you are asking about the streaks, leaderboard, and leagues, that also covered. What's the next section and how to participate, all these things are there, including how to enable the yellow check my progress bar. You must have seen that also. So you can see most of your doubts are already covered in these videos. You can watch and go through the playlist. It will help you to understand the program and all the things. As of now, just complete all these games. Hurry up because the games will be ending on 28th of February. So hurry up, it's your best chance to earn arcade points. And if you have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. As of now, if you're participating from now, then just avoid all the work meet play series. Okay, because they have clearly mentioned that all the points are being counted from January to June. If you miss any of the sequence, you won't be getting the points. So there is no benefit of completing this game. If you want to learn, means want to learn more skills, you can just complete other badges also or just explore the catalog. But completing this badge is waste of time. If you're targeting arcade point, you can complete all the remaining badges. So this was the quick update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comments section. Also, if you're interested in GCP certification, other certification, Microsoft certification, or whether you want to just have some Oracle certification, you can check the playlist or check the description. I have attached all the related resources. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead.